Why a simple bowl of oats might be the best gift you can give your body each morning. Morning isn't just a time on the clock. It's that first breath you take, that first step out of bed. It's a quiet moment where you decide what kind of day you want to have. For many people, the start of the day can feel rushed. A quick sip of coffee, a piece of toast grabbed on the way out the door, or maybe nothing at all, just moving straight into the tasks and stress of the day. But here's something worth asking. When was the last time you really thought about what your body needs first thing in the morning? In a world that moves fast, it's easy to put nutrition on the back burner. Emails, errands, appointments, all those things can feel more urgent than breakfast. But here's the truth. What you eat when you wake up sets the tone for your energy, your mood, and your focus, not just for a few hours, but for the entire day. And here's the good news. You don't need fancy superfoods or expensive supplements. You just need oats. Yes, oats. The kind sitting quietly in your pantry right now. The kind your grandparents probably ate. Simple, reliable, and powerful oats are one of the most underrated health tools around. They're loaded with fiber, especially a kind called beta-glucan, which helps lower bad cholesterol, supports steady blood sugar, and keeps digestion moving the way it should. That means more energy, better focus, and fewer cravings that pull you off track. Oats also deliver a solid dose of important nutrients like iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. You're not just eating to fill your belly. You're giving your body what it needs to stay strong and sharp, especially as you get older. But oats aren't just about health. They're about possibility. One of the best things about oats is how adaptable they are. You can keep it classic with a little honey and banana, or try fresh blueberries and a spoonful of almond butter. Feeling savory? Top them with a soft boiled egg, some steamed spinach, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Oats can go sweet or savory, simple or bold. Whatever you're in the mood for, they've got your back. Now, there's one thing to keep in mind. Not all oats are created equal. Some flavored instant oat packets are packed with added sugar and artificial flavors. Others are processed in ways that strip out the nutrients you're hoping to get. So here's a tip. Go for plain rolled oats or steel-cut oats. They take just a little more time to prepare, but they give you much more in return. Another tip? Pair your oats with a little protein or healthy fat. That might be a handful of walnuts, a slice of avocado toast on the side, or a small scoop of Greek yogurt. This helps your body absorb nutrients better, and it keeps you full longer. And please don't forget hydration. A glass of water or warm herbal tea alongside your breakfast helps everything work more smoothly. It's easy to underestimate small choices, but these quiet morning habits have real power. You don't need to follow a strict diet. You don't have to spend a lot of money. You just have to make one thoughtful choice and let that choice guide the rest of your day. So tomorrow morning, take a pause. Skip the drive-through line. Skip the sugary cereal. Instead, open your pantry. Grab the oats and start your day with something that truly supports you. You deserve a breakfast that gives more than it takes. And oats, humble as they are, might be just what your body's been asking for. Because sometimes, the simplest things are the most powerful. Part 1. Why oats deserve a spot in your kitchen. 10 reasons to make them part of your day. 1. A simple, nutritious start to your morning. Oats are more than just a convenient breakfast. They're a smart way to start your day. In one small bowl, you're getting a natural mix of important nutrients like magnesium, iron, zinc, and B vitamins. These support energy, brain function, and overall wellness. Even better, oats are low in calories but full of fuel. They help you feel awake and focused, giving you the steady start your body needs without the crash that often comes from sugary breakfasts. 2. Loaded with fiber, especially the kind your body loves. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, especially a type called beta-glucan. This fiber turns into a soft gel in your digestive system. What does that mean for you? It helps lower bad cholesterol, slows how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream, and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. It's a quiet helper that supports your heart, digestion, and blood sugar all at once. 3. A heart-healthy choice that fits easily into your life. Heart health becomes more important with each passing year. Oats can play a powerful role here. They help reduce bad cholesterol, support smoother blood flow, and may lower your risk of heart disease. Instead of extreme diets or medications, try something as simple as a bowl of oatmeal in the morning. It's an easy habit with big benefits. 4. Keeps your blood sugar steady throughout the day. If you've ever felt drained after a high-carb breakfast, you're not alone. Oats release energy slowly, helping you avoid those ups and downs. They can also improve how your body handles insulin, which is especially helpful if you're managing type 2 diabetes. Add some protein like eggs or plain yogurt, and you've got a balanced, filling meal. 5. Helps manage weight without hunger. Trying to eat better? Oats can help you stay full longer, thanks to their fiber. That means fewer cravings and less snacking. They also have a low glycemic index, which keeps your energy level steady and reduces the urge to reach for quick sugar fixes. It's a gentle way to support your weight goals without feeling deprived. 6. Keeps digestion moving smoothly. Nobody wants to deal with digestive issues. Oats contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which help keep your system regular and reduce constipation. They also act as food for the healthy bacteria in your gut, making digestion more efficient and comfortable. You'll feel lighter and more at ease throughout the day. 7. Packed with antioxidants that protect your health. Oats have unique antioxidants called avenanthramides. These little-known compounds help fight inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect your cells from damage. They also support skin health and mental clarity. Eating oats regularly is a natural way to support your body as it ages. 8. Skin-friendly from the inside out. You've probably seen oats used in lotions and soaps, but eating them may also help your skin. The anti-inflammatory properties in oats can reduce redness and calm sensitive skin. Plus, the zinc and B vitamins they contain support skin repair and may help balance oil levels. It's a gentle, nourishing food that helps you glow from the inside out. 9. May lower the risk of childhood asthma. Oats aren't just for adults. For children, especially babies starting solid food, they're a gentle, easy-to-digest option that's rich in nutrients. Some research shows that introducing oats early in life may reduce the risk of asthma later on. They support the immune system and may reduce airway inflammation. Warm, soothing, and nourishing oats are a great choice for little ones, too. 10. Easy to make, easy to love. One of the best things about oats? They're incredibly versatile. Like something sweet? Add bananas, apples, or a handful of berries. More into savory? Try them with eggs, sautéed vegetables, or a spoonful of avocado. Oats cook quickly, store well, and adapt to just about any flavor. From overnight oats to baked oatmeal or even oat-based muffins, you can make them your own without much effort. Part 2. 10 common mistakes people make with oats and how to fix them. Oats are one of the best foods you can have in your kitchen. But even a healthy food can lose its benefits if it's not prepared or eaten the right way. Let's look at 10 common oatmeal mistakes and how to enjoy oats in a way that truly supports your health. 1. Adding too much sugar. It's tempting to sweeten your oatmeal with honey, brown sugar, or syrup. But too much added sugar can turn your healthy breakfast into a dessert. Sugar raises your blood sugar, increases cravings, and over time may raise your risk of type 2 diabetes and heart issues. Instead, try topping your oats with sliced banana, fresh berries, or a dash of cinnamon. They add flavor without spiking your sugar levels. 2. Using flavored instant oats. Yes, they're quick and easy, but those flavored packets often come loaded with sugar, artificial flavors, and preservatives. They also have less fiber and may leave you hungry too soon. If you want the full benefits of oats, stick with rolled oats or steel-cut oats. Then add your own natural toppings at home. 3. Forgetting the protein. Oats give you fiber and healthy carbs, but they're low in protein. That means you might feel full at first, then hungry again an hour later. To stay satisfied longer, add a spoonful of peanut butter, a boiled egg, a handful of nuts, or a scoop of Greek yogurt. It makes your meal more balanced and keeps your energy steady. 4. Eating too much at once. Just because oats are healthy doesn't mean you should go overboard. A half cup of dry oats is usually plenty. They double in size when cooked. Overloading your bowl, especially with extras like nut butter or dried fruit, can raise your calories fast. And too much fiber in one sitting might leave you bloated. Stick to a moderate portion and listen to when your body says, that's enough. 5. Skipping the soak. Raw oats contain a natural compound that can make it harder for your body to absorb minerals like calcium and iron. Soaking your oats for several hours or overnight helps break this down and makes the oats easier to digest. Just add water or milk to your oats before bed. Pop them in the fridge, and they're ready to enjoy by morning. It's a simple step with big benefits. 6. Eating raw oats without soaking or cooking. Tossing dry oats into a smoothie or salad may sound convenient, but it's not the best idea. Without cooking or soaking, the fiber in oats is harder to digest and may leave you feeling heavy or bloated. Take the time to soften them. Your stomach will thank you. 7. Overcooking your oats. Cook oats too long or use too much water, and you'll end up with mushy, flavorless oatmeal. That texture digests too fast, leaving you hungry again soon. Instead, cook oats until they're soft but still have a bit of texture. This preserves fiber and gives your meal more staying power. Taste as you go and adjust your cooking time based on the type of oats you use. 8. Adding milk too early. Cooking oats in milk from the start might seem like a good idea, but it can make them sticky and harder to cook evenly. Try using water to cook the oats, then stir in milk or plant milk at the end. You'll get a smoother, creamier texture and more control over how your oatmeal turns out. 9. Skipping the salt. It might surprise you, but a pinch of salt while cooking brings out the natural flavor of oats. It balances sweetness and makes the whole bowl taste better. You don't need much, just a small pinch goes a long way. 10. Relying only on oats for breakfast. Oats are a great base, but they don't give you everything your body needs. If you eat only oats every morning, you might miss out on key nutrients like B12, iron, or healthy fats. Mix things up. Add fruits, nuts, seeds, eggs, or even veggies to your routine. The more variety you bring to your meals, the better your body will feel. Conclusion: a gentle start, a stronger you. These days, staying healthy takes more intention than ever. Every meal, every quiet choice you make during the day has the power to lift you up or slow you down. And sometimes, it's the simplest routines like a warm bowl of oats in the morning that quietly shape your future. Oats aren't just breakfast. They're a smart, dependable way to fuel your body. They're full of fiber to support digestion, help balance blood sugar, and keep you full longer. They're gentle on the stomach, and they offer steady energy, the kind that helps you stay clear-headed and balanced throughout the day. They also do something more. They invite you to pause, to care for yourself, to start your day with a little nourishment, not just for your body, but for your mindset too. Now here's the catch: oats only give you their best when you treat them right. It's easy to fall into habits that don't serve you, like drowning them in sugar, grabbing the instant packets with additives and flavors that do more harm than good, or skipping protein and healthy fats that help your body absorb nutrients better. But with a few small shifts, your morning can turn into a quiet win. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Give yourself time to prepare something real. Slice a banana instead of pouring syrup. Top your oats with some walnuts, a spoon of nut butter, or a sprinkle of chia seeds. Soak your oats overnight to save time and let your future self wake up to something ready and nourishing. Drink a glass of warm water when you first rise. It's a gentle way to wake up your digestion. And maybe, just maybe, give yourself those 5 extra minutes to sit, breathe, and enjoy your meal without rushing. None of this has to be perfect. You don't need a gourmet kitchen. You don't need to turn your life upside down. You just need to start small. It's not about chasing perfection. It's about consistency. It's about building habits that feel kind, doable, and real. Improving your health doesn't require a dramatic overhaul. It starts with what's on your plate tomorrow morning. Swap that boxed cereal or sugar-loaded pastry for something that truly supports you. Let breakfast be the anchor, the quiet time you check in with yourself. If you ever feel discouraged or overwhelmed by health goals, remember this: the strongest, healthiest people aren't the ones who do everything right. They're the ones who keep showing up. They're the ones who trust that small actions repeated day after day add up to big change. So if today you choose oats, if today you make that simple, nourishing choice, you've already taken a powerful step forward. And if this message speaks to you, share it with someone you care about. Save it. Come back to it on the days you need a little encouragement. Because this isn't just about breakfast. It's about the way you care for yourself. And you deserve a life that's strong, steady, and joyful, one thoughtful choice at a time.